and a 7,500 RPM high torque motor.
I'm the honcho, bitch, I'm about my cheddar. Quavo. Lil' hoe keep going outside, little bitch do better. Bitch, she want me to hit it.
Yo, what it do, YouTube? It's your boy, Fuck 'em Up, Phil, and I'm back with a brand new review of the Stylecraft Sabers. On the front of the box here, you can see it says Stylecraft Pro Brushless Saber, professional metal trimmer with brushless motor. On the bottom here, we got the different features of the clippers here listed. So it says we have a 3-hour cordless runtime lithium battery, adjustable zero gap blade, digital brushless motor, low noise, low vibration, micro USB charger, heavy duty full metal body, gold X Pro wide blade, and a 7,500 RPM high torque motor. And a 7,500 RPM high torque motor. On the back, it says the premium hypoallergenic gold titanium X Pro wide fixed blade. Basically, a blade that helps you to not get allergic reactions and stuff. That's what hypoallergenic means. Also says high torque, low vibration digital brushless motor, runs at 7,500 RPMs, offering more powerful and efficient cutting. Full metal trimmer provides 4 hours of constant run time with a 90-minute rechargeable time. Says includes cleaning maintenance kit, mini screwdriver, charging cord, and stand. Okay, so don't really gotta explain anything really on this box. And so let's go ahead and open the box. I'm gonna try to hold it up like this. As soon as I open the box, as you can see, it says Stylecraft Pro Brushless Sabers, professional metal trimmer with brushless motor. We got the trimmer right here to the left in the box, and then we have the charger stand. Go ahead and take this up out of the box. First thing I noticed is how the full metal casing feels, kind of similar to a Babyliss skeleton, but a little bit lighter than the skeletons. I would say it's more, the skeletons kind of definitely a tad bit more heavier, maybe like a little bit more top heavier than the Saber. Another thing I noticed is this X Pro blade on the Stylecraft is very, very similar to the skeleton's FX blades that comes with the Babyliss trimmers. This is what they look like. They're very similar in design. I'm be honest, I be using these most of the time now, these sabers, the Stylecraft sabers. They just, for one, they stay way cooler than my Babyliss do when I'm using them. They also not as loud, but the brushless motor allows it to stay way more quiet than these right here. I'm gonna let y'all hear them. That is the Sabers. This is the Babyliss skeletons. Similar sound, but the skeletons are louder. When you turn it on, there's a little blue LED here. Looks pretty cool. Here is the charger base. So here we go. We got the Stylecraft Saber charging base, and underneath the little plastic container here, we got the rest of the tools that comes with the clippers. We got the little charger base, well, the charger cord. We got the little charger cord that goes with the charger base. We got this micro USB, which plugs up into the back of the trimmer if you want to charge it that way. I don't know why they give you two different charger options like that, but they do. I just use the charger base all the time, and I've been using it for a couple of weeks now, the trimmer actually, and it never dies on me when I'm using it because I just put it right back on the base when I'm done with it. I'm not gonna lie, man, if I had to choose between my skeletons or these sabers, if I had to get rid of one, I would get rid of my skeletons and keep these all day, man. That's how good these freaking sabers are. They take the crown for me, if you ask me. But the clipper also comes with a zero gap setter. And even though the blade and the style of the trimmer itself is very similar to the skeletons, you can't just set this blade right here while it's on the trimmer like you can do the skeletons. You can just unscrew these two little screws right here in there and just set move that blade up and down. You can't do that on these. You have to take this entire blade off. And but what I can say is if you do that and use the zero gap setter, I did that, and man, these things set perfect. Like, they not too sharp or anything. My skeletons are actually very sharp. Sometimes I find myself actually nicking people with these skeletons, but with these sabers, it's very, very rare, and it's not nearly as much as what I was doing with my skeletons. That bitch just crispy, just be hitting. I'm gonna show y'all examples of me using the trimmer, how they working, how they hitting on the lineups in a second. I just gotta show y'all the last thing with this damn screwdriver. It also came with a little brush and some oil. And so with that being said, let's get on into the review side of the trimmer so y'all can see what they're working with. So you guys, here I am using the trimmer on a little kid just to show you guys I'm not having really any complaints from the kid. The trimmer isn't sharp, it doesn't overheat, and I spent a long time on this lineup. Actually, I just chopped the video down and like sped it up in iMovie afterwards. But the trimmer stayed cool, didn't nick the kid, didn't hurt him at all, didn't have any complaints or anything like that. And yeah, man, these trimmers just cut real crispy, real smooth. Just my go-to clipper. I mean, my go-to trimmer now, you know, with every head, not just on kids. Never had them down on me. They don't really get too hot to where I just have to switch them out. Sometimes I pick up my my Babyliss if they get a little hot, but they don't get as hot as my Babyliss usually. You know what I'm saying? I can just keep on using them. And yeah, man, I don't know what to say besides these trimmers are the shit for me. Goddamn, they better than the Babyliss for me. But yeah, don't know what else to say, but I'm gonna be dropping videos every day. Try to, y'all, because if I don't, I'm probably just gonna fall off the map again for another 6 months. So I'm just gonna make myself upload every day and not be lazy. Just stick to it. Fuck it. Let's see what happens. But this is the end of the video. Here's the finished lineup. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Daily content is on the way. And thanks for watching.
Feeling brilliant, just like Elon, pop the Tesla. Pop it, go. You ain't got no motion, you can't stand up in my session. Get out.